so calm the time. I feel it more than half a crime. When nature sleeps and stars are mute, to mar the silence, even with loot. At rest on ocean's brilliant dyes, an image of Elysium lies. 7 Pleiades, entrance in heaven, form in the deep. Another 7, Endymion nodding from above, seizing the sea, a second love. Within the valleys dim and brown, and on the spectral's mountain's crown, the wearied light is dying down, and earth and stars and sea and sky are redolent of sleep, as I am redolent of thee and thine. Enthralling love, oh my Adeline, but list, oh so soft and low. Thy lover's voice tonight shall flow, that scarce awake, that soul shall deem my words the music of a dream. Thus while no single sound too rude upon thy slumber shall intrude, our thoughts, our souls, O God above, and every deed shall mingle love.